Natural ways to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads fast. Clear and beautiful skin is one of the main elements of a person's beauty. One sure way to have healthy and picture-perfect skin is to take care of it every day. We here at Lucky Life have compiled a list of some of the best remedies that will help you to naturally remove blackheads and whiteheads from your nose and face. 1. Vaseline and plastic wrap. The best time to use this trick is right after the shower because the heat from the water will have opened your pores. Begin by applying Vaseline to the affected area that needs to be treated. Once you have finished with it, place the plastic wrap over the Vaseline. With the wrap still in place, apply a hot towel and let it sit until it cools back down to room temperature. Then use a tissue to remove any excess Vaseline from your face and gently squeeze the skin where the blackheads are clogging your pores to remove them. The dirt should be pushed out very easily. Finally, wipe a cotton pad soaked in lotion over your skin. Do this procedure once or twice a month. 2. Coconut oil and essential oils. In a jar, slightly soften 1/4 cup of coconut oil 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave should do it. Then combine the coconut oil with 10 drops of lemon, lavender, and tea tree oils and stir well until smooth. Use a cotton ball to apply this solution to your skin in the morning and evening after washing your face. The mixture should be stored in a sealed jar at room temperature. 3. Activated charcoal and green clay. Mix a half teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon of green clay, and a half teaspoon of warm water together. Mix well until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Apply the mask to your face with a sponge or brush. Let the mask sit for a few minutes until it dries completely, then rinse off well with cold water. If you do this procedure once or twice a week, it should be enough to enjoy clean pores most of the time. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.